You might think that all gaming chairs are made in the same place, even in the same factory, with just minor differences in specifications. And for the most part, you'd be right. However, that's not the case with AK Racing chairs. AK Racing started making seats for the automotive industry, so they certainly know a thing or two about making a solid, comfortable seat. Now they've taken that knowledge and created what they believe are the best gaming chairs available on the market. They're all made in a dedicated AK Racing factory that doesn't do any OEM work at all. So if you want an AK Racing quality chair, it has to be the real thing. So what makes these a cut above the rest? Let's take a look. First up, all of the chair frames are hand welded and powder coated for highest in-class quality and longevity, so much so that there's a 10-year warranty on every frame. Next is the materials. All of the chairs use the same ultra high quality cold cured foam, offering the best comfort and longevity with minimal flattening over time. The PU leather is also of the highest grade available, offering the most realistic feeling possible, whilst also lasting significantly longer than cheaper variants. Again, a claim that AK Racing is happy to back up with a 5-year warranty on all materials. Even the wheels are of the highest quality, offering materials designed not to scuff or scratch wooden floors. With all that said, let's take a look at the chairs themselves. One thing that AK Racing prides itself on is that all of the chairs from the base model right up to the top all use the same high quality materials, unlike other brands where they might say use a cheaper foam to save on costs. This does mean that there isn't a cheap AK Racing chair, but you only get what you pay for, and AK is confident that their chairs are worth the money. It's not like you change your chair every year. So starting with the Core series, these are the most affordable chairs in the range, and they come in the EX, SX and LX models. EX use a high quality fabric material and come with all of the features you'd expect, including height adjustable gas lift, backrest adjustments, armrest adjustments and movable lumbar and neck pillows. Then there's an EX wide variant. It's the same chair, but it offers a 2-inch wider seat as well as a wider backrest for more room. SX is the same as EX, but it upgrades to a higher quality PU leather. And then LX again comes in PU leather, but also offers a wider and taller frame, more space and 10% more foam for extra comfort. These are great for the taller amongst you. Moving on to the Masters series, these are all about maximum features and luxury for even the longest gaming sessions. Again, there are 3 varieties. These all come in the highest quality PU leather materials. Premium offers 30% more cold cure foam than EX series, as well as an upgraded mechanism, which offers more adjustability. There's also 4D armrests, which are removable if you don't need them at your desk. Max offers the same features as Premium, but like the EX Wide, is designed for taller or bigger people, and it's certified to support up to 180 kilograms. And finally, Pro. This is the top of the gaming range, and it adds breathable perforated PU leather, a wider and deeper seat offering 70% more foam than EX models, and extra legroom. There's also an Office series offering 3 variants: Opal, Obsidian and Onyx. Opal and Obsidian are essentially versions of the EX Wide and Masters Premium respectively, but offering a black finish and a flat seat. Onyx is the most premium chair that AK Racing offers, featuring a completely unique design and all of the best features from the range. So there you have it, amazing quality that's designed to last from a brand who really know what they're doing. What more could you want? You can buy yours now from scan.co.uk.